Hey y'all, it's Kim with Chuchi Colori. Today we're going to do a bloom enhanced on a little 4x4 tile. The colors that we're using today are Arteza Pearl Raspberry Red, an Artist Loft Light Blue, a Liquitex Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, some primary element pigments, Coral Berry and Vintage Mint, and Black Orchid, and an Arteza Pearl Papaya Orange. Okay, so we're going to add our cell activator. We're using white today. I use my straw just to spread it out just a tad before I start really blowing it. And since I can't blow with my mouth, I use my world's smallest blower. Have my little attachment on the end. I attach those to straws and the blower. Spreads out the blow. And I'm going to blow right across the top very gently, not too deep. Spread that white cell activator. And now we're going to do some enhancing. Use your imagination. I love the blues and yellows. Nice contrast. And then the purple in the middle with the cell activator really pops. I like to pick up my drippings from the side, carefully not to get the base part of the paint, just the colors. Just for some tiny little touch-ups. Recycle, reuse, you know. Make the most. Adding just a little bit of movement to our edges here. I just use a wooden skewer. This is one of my favorites because it's got built up paint on it, so it's the right thickness. It started out as a very pointy tip. Here I just dunked it in the paint just to give it a good flow of color through that yellow. I used the purple to pull it through there. All right, we're looking good. Spin. Touch up your corners. Again, pick up some of those drippings just to finish it off. Make sure our edges are all covered. Pop any final blows or imperfections. Give it a torch. Final spin. You always want to make sure you have enough paint off of there so it doesn't crack when it dries. And voila.